Hi there, this is Nikita and welcome to this short little video about filing 325 pitch chain. So what I've got on the desk today is my new filing set. Well, not entirely new because I had this round file without a handle. And the point of this video is first of all to show you this stuff, and second of all to inform you about the part numbers of this stuff, right? So let's get started. So it might sound very simple. Get the proper files and file your chain. Well, it is that simple, but you do need to have the proper size, well, chains, and know that this stuff isn't that expensive. I think at least. And yes, this depth gauge on the website is at least €3.80 according to Husqvarna. Now prices may differ of course, but this is part number 5056981-00, and it's for, of course, the 0.325 pitch chain, which I've got here on this, well, McCulloch chainsaw. And I'm going to open this package up. Let's try to, without destroying it completely, and show you this wonderful little depth gauge. So here we go, at least a little bit. Should go something like, well, like this, right? Wonderful. So with this thing you need a flat file, and from Husqvarna you can get this nice little flat file I've got right here, which is part number, well, it doesn't show right here, but I've got the documentation, 5056981, most likely -60, right? And it's, as is stated on the packaging, a 6-inch or 150mm flat file. I put it in a handle, which is part number 0506978-01. That was quite cheap as well, and it works quite nice. It is a proper plastic spring-loaded handle. I'm going to try to remove it from this thing, which is a little bit of a hassle, but basically well, they say push here, right, like this, which should work, right? And as you can see, it goes in like that. Now this is the file that came originally with my other chainsaw, so I purchased some new round files for this specific size chain, so the 0.325, and that is, well, 4.8mm or 3/16 from Husqvarna, and that is part number, well, let's see, 5100955-01. Now these you can get in, well, multiples, so more than 2 in a package, right? So it's very simple. Get this stuff. If you need a file guide, Oregon sells those, or at least they are made by Oregon, and hopefully you can get them locally to help you properly keep the proper, well, distance from this thing. Well, I can't really explain that properly, but there are file guides available for these, and these handles are cheap as well. And once again, properly branded, you know that you're getting good stuff, right? Don't know if there's any better, guess there would be, but for the price I wouldn't go without. So this is Nikita Net saying, file guide, flat file, file handles, 2 of them of course, and, well, you need only one, but you know, get 2, it's as simple as that. And of course a couple of round files, because that is the smallest package they have, by my reckoning at least. And you've got the product numbers, so you are completely set. And this is Nikita Net saying thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.